1. Know your strengths and weakness. Know the strengths of your team as well as the weakness and allow for improvement. 2. Have a clear plan of what needs to be done. By failing to plan, you plan to fail. Set long and short-term goals. 3. Be decisive. When asked for your opinion, you should have it well thought out and present it persuasively. You should not waffle or stall. For big decisions, set a deadline, and have the decision by that time. If someone offers an argument that convinces you to change a decision, acknowledge it and embrace the new idea completely. 4. Be consistent. Your actions and reactions must be consistent. You don't want to be the type of manager that everyone asks what kind of mood you are in before they approach you with an issue. 5. Being flexible is very important and it does not conflict with being consistent. You must remain flexible to change directions, change rules, and change resources to remain competitive. 6. Communicate your expectations. Put them in writing whenever possible. Solicit feedback from the people you are leading. Know what they expect from you. Address any discrepancies immediately and clearly.